Hello traders, I'm Luke from Disciplined Trader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use my simple position size calculator so you can work out your trading position sizes whenever you need to. So let's get straight to it. You can find the calculator by heading over to the Disciplined Trader website and clicking the Trading Calculators tab on the navigation bar across the top of the page. I'll leave a link to the page in the description below this video. Once you have found the calculator, it asks for three pieces of information under the Inputs section. The current size of your trading account, this is regardless of the currency you are trading. The percentage of the account you want to risk on the next trade. You don't have to enter a percentage sign or anything, literally just write the number to represent the percentage you want to risk. And finally, the size of the stop loss for the trade in points or pips. The position size you need to trade at to risk the correct amount of money will then appear under the per point value heading in the Outputs section. Simply enter this number when placing your trade and you'll be trading at the correct position size for the risk parameters you set. For example, if I had a trading account of £10,000 and I wanted to risk 2% on an upcoming trade and the stop loss was going to be 23 points, I simply enter 10,000 in the account size box, 2 in the percentage at risk per trade box, and 23 in the stop loss size box. The calculator then tells me I need to trade at £8.70 per point to risk the correct amount of my capital on this next trade. If you are using MetaTrader 4, you would enter this number in the volume box when opening your trade. And that's it. You can use this calculator each time you are preparing to enter a trade if your stop loss size varies. Otherwise, you can just check what size you need to trade at as your account size changes, or if you change the risk parameters on the trades. Also, while you're on the Disciplined Trader website, be sure to enroll in the Academy. It's completely free, and I'm always uploading new content to help traders improve their skills and knowledge. So that wraps up this video. I hope you found the calculator useful, and thank you very much for watching. If there are any other topics you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done already. Thanks very much, and I hope you all have a good week in the markets.